All right, so guys, it is absolutely iPhone season. All right, so guys, it is iPhone season. This year, I got the 1 TB Pro, as well as I did pick up a iPhone 16 Plus, and I think the Plus this year is probably going to be the budget option, especially like pricing. You can get really a decent price. This is the 256 GB version. I rather have had the 512, but hey, it is what it is. Both phones were a carrier trade-in, and we got both cases. I'm gonna unbox 16 Pro, and we'll go there. So again, this 16 Pro is a 1 TB version. I use the iPhone 15 Pro Max right now as my channel video camera, and this is what's going to be replacing it. All right. On that note, I could definitely use a SIM card ejector tool to open up this box. Let's just see if it will work. If not, I'll pull the tabs. Yeah, I kind of like doing it this way better, because then at least the tab doodads are still there. And we'll do the same way. Well, let's see if this will actually open if I do it this way. All right, so we got that there. And, oh, slide, slide, slide. I might actually have to pull those tabs. Well, did I get them all out? Yeah, I mean, you did. This thing's just stuck. All right. Oh, you know what it is? I just cut the box. All right, so obviously the tab sliding thingy didn't work for me. Wait. Maybe it will if you get it in the right way. Come on. Yeah, I'm just going to cut the slide. I'm just going to rip the slide tabs. There's one. Wow, that's a big one. There's two. All right. Let's slide this guy out. All right. So, just like any other iPhone, throughout every year, we got the cardboard box. We have the Pro version of this phone. So again, Pro is a little smaller. I can feel it. Absolutely feels like the 15 in hand. All right, the one big difference that I do see, though, is that we do have this camera app. Even gives you the little doodad icon, so camera, power. It's telling us that the action button is the way to shut the sound off. You got your volume and power. But again, we know now that the action button is programmable to different things. Gonna do the pull tab. All right. And we have the phone right here. Real quick, I'm gonna go into here. We have our lovely braided USB-C to USB-C cable. Kind of a little different this year where it's not in a little circle format, but hey, that's cool. I'll throw that over here. And the one big difference this year, right, is that the iPhone's not coming with stickers anymore. Literally, it's just telling us you can activate through eSIM, and it has this little paper here. Now, if you guys were really like gunning to get Apple stickers, what I have found that this year, the way that you're getting Apple stickers is literally like through store credits. So like, again, this is a gift card. They're throwing like the gift cards on the front of them. They actually have Apple stickers. That's a pretty cool Apple sticker. So, I mean, in reality, if you want, we can say, oh, look, a little bigger. But that kind of is sad. I wish that able to get some Apple stickers, but I did hear rumors that if you did go to an Apple store and ask for Apple stickers, they will hook you up. So hopefully the people that are looking for that nostalgia for Apple stickers, you should be able to do it if you go ask someone at the Apple store. I think they can help you. All right, on that note, right, gonna move this phone out of the way. As I'm talking too, I'm gonna leave this over here. I'm gonna go put this on my wall of boxes so that I know that we have the 16 version, which kind of similarly looks like the 15 version. If you guys really want to compare, we can do that. Again, I kind of messed up. I got the Pro instead of the Pro Max, but look, this is the Pro Max. That was the 15. This is the 16. In comparison, very similar boxes this year, right? All right, on that note, I'll put these boxes back up here. And if you guys are still at this video and you're still listening to me, please hit the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, you're new to this, you're watching this channel, and you're still here, please hit the subscribe button. Also have a Patreon account. Feel free to support me, $1 a month. Big thing though, really what I'm looking at is trying to get YouTube subscribers almost at 500. I'm very excited. All right, guys, on that, we have the iPhone 16 Pro case. I'm gonna literally open this puppy up so that I can put this on the phone and I do not scratch the phone up. All right, so this silicone, first time really hitting silicone cases. Usually I'm going with the leather. I did do the other type of option last year. What the heck was that type of case called? I can't even remember. I can't even show you guys because it's on the phone that I'm recording right now. In the comments though, if you guys remember that case that nobody likes, it was really expensive. It substituted the lovely leather case for the Pro Series. Tell me. Do like the silicone that has the like velveteen back. Thank you very much. We do have the power button, the rocker button, the camera button that's supposed to work, and power up, power down, and the action button. Also inside of here, literally just like a cutout, a punch out of this. Oh, and yeah, hiding in here, we do have some papers. Okay. Again, probably regulations, MagSafe. It's talking about MagSafe stuff. All right. So we do have the papers here. It's funny, the paper is bigger than the hair. Again, Apple, not to say Apple never put stickers inside the cases. That would have been awesome, though. Also, guys, comment down below. Like, have you ever used Apple stickers? I think I got a boatload of them somewhere hiding that I've never... I think they're actually in the phone boxes that I've had. I've never touched them. What do you guys think? Should Apple have removed the stickers this year out of the phones? Maybe, I guess. All right, so I'm just going to turn this bad boy on before I put it in the case for you guys. All right, so waiting for it to boot up, right? We have our USB-C port, and this is the fast one. We do have 2 speaker ports here. We do have our new action camera button. I'm going to call it the trackpad. Literally, this phone's got a trackpad in it. Let's activate. Just going to clap this into the silicone case. Right, so it's activating this phone. It should be magical. Again, this is, I guess, how Apple gets their commission through T-Mobile. Understanding that the phone's activated through the eSIM. So literally, I didn't even need to have the other phone with me. All right, while we're waiting for this thing, guys, I got an idea. Just to keep on things going, pretty exciting. Yes, we have the iPhone 16, right? I'm going to leave this on the side over here until we're done. iPhone 16 Plus, let's do it. The aquamarine color, I guess it's blue. This is a 256 version, and I'm just going to rip the tab. Oh, didn't rip that tab right. Anyway, all right, guys, and I'm gonna go here. Oh, looks like this phone is 100% complete. I'm just gonna hit continue. I'm gonna leave this alone over here for a minute, and I'm gonna bring this guy out. Okay, one thing that I 100% notice with this phone is how light this phone is. Just feeling it, and how big it is, but how light it is. This is aluminum, not titanium, I think. But Maybe it is titanium. I don't know. All I know is that, wow, this thing is a light phone for what it is. All right. I'm going to set all that stuff up later. Be right back, guys. Do. Ooh. All right. All right. Don't transfer anything. Slide it all the way up. Way down. Come on. Agree. All right. Well, trying to do two things at once. Update your phone. Continue. Not now. Set up later. We're going to do all this stuff later. Set up later. Share with Apple. You guys can always do that if you want. Don't share. I go with light this time. Continue. All right. Sorry guys, look, and we can see there's still more stuff going on with the 15 Pro right now. I'm not going to customize my action button yet. Camera control, continue. There's that camera button. It's just showing you what it is. Yeah, of course we're going to use Siri. Continue.
The colors of the sky.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
The colors of the
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun. The colors of the sky.
The colors of the sky.
The colors of the sky fade with this.
All right, so hello Siri. Share audio recordings, not now. Continue. There's a lot of stuff, man. Okay, so while we're waiting for that to continue to activate, I'm over here, guys. I'm gonna, again, same deal. You got your power, you got your camera. Plus out. Big deal here is the cameras. We only got a 2-camera system, but it seems pretty wild. Feels like glass. This phone does, again, just feel very light. All right, pop this open, and same deal. We got a USB-C port, but this is going to be a slower USB port than the Pro. You have your speaker, grill system, antennas. This is the trackpad, which we're going to call the button. But even when it's off, it is legit a button. There is glass, but it is a pushy button. You got your power button right here, your volume up and down rocker, and your action button. All right, I'm just going to turn this puppy on. And I'm going to let this one sit and do its thing. And we have... Just gonna move this out of the way, guys, so we don't need this. All right, same deal with the 16 Pro. You got the cable, and you got the the 16 Plus. You got the cable, and you got the paperwork pamphlets. All right. That note, I'm just gonna move this stuff over to the side, and all right. So I'm gonna put my pin in. Great. It says welcome to my phone. Swipe up. All right, so pretty much 90% of what you would see with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's really get into this. This is where everybody's coming to watch this video and what we're really seeing, okay? And that is literally the camera button, right? So if I press that, the camera should automatically turn on. It does. We're going to hit cancel just for now. We're going to say try this. So we got styles. Little doodads there. All right. I'm going to go back to here. And what we're going to look for is we got square. So again, this looks like just the camera itself. I don't even know how to get back into, okay, photo. You got your video. All right, you got cinematic. Wow, all right. And if we're looking up here, we have HDR. Let's see what we can do with cinematic. 4K at 60. Oop, 24, 30, 24, and 30. All right, and that's the cinematic mode. Okay, great. I'm going to get out of this. We're going to go up to video. All right, video, we have 4K at 60, and at 120. Now 120 is more if you're gonna like slow things down. Personally, me, I'm gonna keep this puppy at probably 4K 24 or 4K 30. You know what? 4K 60 is where we're gonna want to be. We have our 0.5, we have our 1, we have our 2, and we have our 5. And then we can even go a little more up to like 15. That's absolutely crazy. All right. So, on that note, I'm just going to leave this guy hanging around right here. And I'm going to do the same thing here. English. It wants to set up stuff, but no, we're not going to set up stuff. Hit continue without another device. All right. And then I'll come back, guys, and I'll show you pretty much the same exact phone, but this is pretty awesome. Like, you have literally the camera button here. On that note, guys, thank you very much. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe, and please take a look at my Patreon account. Feel free to subscribe for $1 a month or hit the free subscription. Thanks again. This is Consumer Compute.